Hello and welcome to this OpenText file of video on email notification and share reporting. My name's Robin Redgrave. I'm a solutions consultant based out of the UK. The email notification and share reporting is a feature of Filr Advanced. As far as the email notification is concerned, this will send an email to the person who shared a document when the very first person that accesses it does so. This doesn't happen for all the users that access it, so if I've shared it with 100 people, I'm not going to get 100 emails telling me it's been accessed. I'm only going to get one when the first person accesses it. And what the share report does is that will give me a report of every user that's accessed that share and when they did so. So let's just have a look at this. Let's just put in my password and just come here. You can see this file here I've shared with 6 people. If I just click on there, you can see that I've got an option here for an access report. If I just select that, I can see when each of those users that has accessed that file actually did access it. So I can see where they accessed it from, the IP address, and the date and time. I do have the option to download that report, so that will come down as a PDF file with that information if I wanted to. Let's just share a new file. So if I take this one here, comparing the cost of leading email systems, and I'll share that with, share that with Peter Atkins, and I can obviously give rights to that and expiry date and put in a message. Let's just save that. So let's just log out here and just sign in as that user. And let's just put in his password. So if I come into here, I can see here's that share that was just shared with me. So if I go and view that, what will happen now is that will generate an email to me saying that it's been accessed, and there we are. You can see that email has come in. If I open it up, it tells me that Peter's accessed that file and the date and time for that. What I also have is a link here that will give me access to the report that we saw before. Hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for listening.